Hi, it's Mark here. So if anyone wants a project, this is a little gorgeous beauty. So it needs a bit of work. The gas pipes, the gas pipes, the radiator pipes have been taken out. They've been nicked. We've got gas fires to renew. This is a top bed flat, and you can see the view over the city. Look at that. It's over Derby City. I'll go that way a little bit. There you go. This is in the eaves. This is a top flat of 7 in this building, and it does need a bit of work. It's a project. So we need a refurb on this one. I'll show the ceilings, because the ceilings, you can see the height, it's just above the door there, because that's what is it, a 2-3 ceiling? Yeah, it's a 2-3 ceiling. And this one's out on the top floor, so that's out access to the roof. Then we've got another room here, which is a kitchen. Now, the cracking you can hear is me standing on slates and tiles that were taken from the roof, because the roof was vandalised. And the building was vandalised a little while ago, so the scallywags and vagabonds got in, and that's why it needs a refurb. This room's a bedroom. This is I think this is a 2-bed flat. It might be a 1-bed, but I think it's a 2-bed. And heating control. So things need changing. It needs a bit of work. And this is obviously the bathroom. There's a sink just behind the door there, and that window needs replacing because the seal's gone in that window around there. And this room is bedroom. This is the main bedroom. So it does need some work. It needs quite a bit of work. And there's 7 flats. The reason I'm doing this video, and you can see that the latches are off. This has been drafted, so the ceiling there's gone on the window. That's the street behind. That's, I think, I'd name the street if I knew what it was. I think it's Huntington. I'll correct this on the comments. But that's the overview, or the scene out of the back. So this is one of 7 flats. Now there's some 1-beds and some 2-beds in this building. It's all one building, a Victorian building. And I'm not going to put a price on. I'm just going to look in this room because I don't know what it is. Let's have a look in that room. That's a storeroom. So 7 flats in the building, all need work, all in a similar condition in the house. So it's a refurb on each one. So it's about 3 or 4 week project, but don't forget, because it's in quite a big building, it's got a central staircase, an old Victorian place. It's got a central staircase, so that all of that area needs doing. So we count that as another part of the building, or another building. I'll show you the ceiling roses there. There you go. So if you fancy a project, then give us a shout or comment below the video. My name's Mark. See you soon.